Let's get into it. First example is 2.75, and the integer part here, which is the left part of decimal, which is 2, this 2, we convert it into the decimal form, and we have discussed the method to convert it in previous videos. You can check in the below description for the link. We converted the 2 into 10. That's done. Left part is done. Now right part, which is a fractional part, you can say, or a decimal point part. Here we have to multiply the right part with the base. When we are doing multiplication, we have to capture only the left part here and write it down on the right side of that. Then take the remaining part, which will be 0.5, then multiply with 2, then we get 1.0. Take the left part, and 0 is remaining, and if you multiply with 0 we get 0, and if you get 0 you don't have to continue from that part. And another thing is, in this left part, integer part, we are going to take from below to up 1 0, right? But in fractional part we have to take from up to bottom. This will be 0.11 and this will be 10. And in the binary to decimal, octal to decimal, we have added the integer part and fractional part, and we will be doing the same thing here. Add the integer part and the fractional part, which will be 10.11. And getting to the next slide, we have octal, decimal to octal conversion. First example will be 24.375. Left part is LCM method, as you know. We get 30, and the fractional part. LCM one is bottom up and fractional part is up to bottom. So we already got the part points is 7, 5 into 8 is 3, and we have to take the left side of the point 3, note it down on the right side, and 0 is remaining. You can stop here now. So after stopping, the only values remaining will be counted. In this case is 3. We write it down as 0.3 here. Then we add integer part and decimal part here. We add we get 30.3. This is the next slide, conversion from decimal to hexa. Take an example and discuss. 25.625. Left part from the decimal will be the integer part. This will be an integer part, and we got 19 bottom up. Next is the fractional part. Multiply the fractional part with the base value and we get 10. This part, only this is counted. 0 we stop. We don't have to multiply with again with 16. We can stop here and count from up to bottom, which will be 10, and 10 is represented as a in hexadecimal. We take a, we add both of these parts, we get 19.6a, 19.a. This will be the end of this video. If you like, please share and subscribe and support the channel continuously so we can make more videos for you.